Very good evening to all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. This is Aruna. I'm a assistant session judge and a senior civil judge, as well as the secretary for Metropolitan Legal Service Authority. Our chairman is a district judge, Honorable District Judge, Nampalli, Criminal Courts, Hyderabad. So I'm very happy to be here, sir. I'm very thankful to the Milli Council for inviting me for the important occasion of distribution of certificates to the all the mediators who are the volunteers actually who came with a great work and also for the good cause and also build up the family bond. I'm very happy, sir. I'm also thankful to the dignitaries and the presidents and also leaders of this Milli Council for choosing me for this occasion. I'm very happy to meet all our lady strength, I can say, because we have achieved 60% in all the employments because our judges also reached 60% employment. I'm very happy for that, for the government, central government and state government who are giving more opportunities to the ladies for their empowerment, right? So, thank you. And you can see our lady power here, madam, and also advocate, who are also excel in their work, I can say. So, come from the judiciary to say about the legal services importance, ladies and gentlemen. The legal services includes providing free legal aid to the weaker sections of the society who falls within the purview of Section 12 of Legal Services Act 1987. And everybody are saying that courts are piled with many increasing cases and all. So there is alternate dispute resolution on the section 89 of CPC, Civil Procedure Code. For that, we have a wonderful section, ladies and gentlemen, that is alternative dispute resolution includes arbitration, madam said already, counseling, judicial settlement, lok adalats and mediation. Mediation is also one of the important aspects in this alternative dispute resolution. So, our endeavor is to give the legal awareness to the children, students, and also as well as citizens of our society for betterment of society. Every speaker here covered every aspect of mediation in counseling and importance of it, and also family bonding. I'm very thankful that my job made so easy by all the speakers, I can say. Sir, the eligible persons for this legal aid is women, children, members of backward classes, industrial workmen, persons with disability, persons in custody, that is prisoners, victims of human trafficking, the persons who transport the women or children for the profit. That is illegal, as everybody know it. And the victims of natural disasters and also persons with an annual income less than 3 lakhs are notified by the government or the scheme, NALSA and SALSA scheme, saying that these are the beneficiaries to get the free legal aid to the persons who are in weaker section. And I can say not only in lower courts, district courts, including Supreme Court, they can avail, beneficiaries can avail this opportunities of free legal aid. And we also provide free legal counselings, mediations, etc. for benefit of the parties. And where to go? That is a big question. Civil and criminal and revenue courts, tribunals any authority exercise judicial or quasi-judicial has having this free legal aid. You can have a civil case or criminal case or tribunal cases. You will get the legal assistance by us, that is Metropolitan Legal Service Authority or District Legal Service Authority. It's a other line of a procedure of courts. So you will get benefit by these services. And we also see that implementation of schemes which is issued by the governments, that is government schemes and all. And there is another benefit of weaker section saying that you can go for a pre-litigation cases. You can file a pre-litigation cases. If you file a pre-litigation cases before us, Legal Service Authority, in a free of cost, we will send the notice to the other persons. And they will come, will go for a counseling. So if we do the counseling, our judges also doing a counseling, mediation work. So to settle the problem amicably, without a MP, I can say, without any monetary this thing, you can settle the problems in PLC, pre-litigation cases. Anybody heard about the PLCs? Anybody filed the PLCs? Can raise the hand. No? So this is the, you have, please, what you have done, madam, can you share with us? It will be benefit to other persons who can, उन लोगों को भी जानना चाहते हैं वो लोग PLCs कैसे करते हैं कैसे करते हैं, क्योंकि सब लोग बोले procedure of court is very lengthy and it is lakhs of cases are piled up in each courts. So PLC is an alternative dispute resolution. It can be easily done within a month or within a week, within a day. So this is a very important aspect in Legal Service Authority, other than a courts. So we are judges are appointed for as assistant session judges as well as a Legal Service Authority secretary. So I can say the mediation. What is the work of mediation? Mediation is one of the alternative dispute resolution methods. Under the provision of 89 CPC, the parties can settle their cases arriving at compromise with the aid of mediators. The role of mediators is to guide and assist the parties to explore the possibilities of settlement. Such a nice work, right? And to know about the pros and cons of litigation settlement. The mediators neither settle the dispute nor pass the award, but they guide the parties. Thereby, the parties may arrive at terms of settlement of their own. In the first phase, 12 mediation centers have been established in 10 districts. Now it is expanded because community service, community councils also in a pilot model program, it was started in Nizamabad recently by our Honorable CJ. We are also encouraging community counseling centers for families, for bonding of families. It's very important task. Thank you so much. We also take you people, take you all the mediators who are the voluntarily coming forward and giving your services at best for uniting the family. तोड़ना बहुत easy है, जोड़ना बहुत मुश्किल है. So I'm not fluent in Hindi, sorry for that, because I cannot speak pure Hindi like you people. You are wonderful in Hindi. Even I am born in Hyderabad. Actually, I gone outside for 15 years and I worked in Khammam, Adilabad as well as in Nalgonda. So a frequency of speaking Hindi is very less to me. So I'm just, my conversation in English, I'm very sorry for that. क्योंकि इतना शुद्ध हिंदी बात नहीं कर सकती. आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू एवरीबडी एंड वन थिंग आई कैन से सर, हमारे वक्फ बोर्ड के चेयरमैन साहब बहुत अच्छा बोले थे, क्या बोल के, सोशल रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट टू ग्रो अप द फैमिली, क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली द विक्टिम विल बी द वुमेन. सर नाइसली सेड, आवर फैमिली कोर्ट जज nicely said that ultimately the victim is women and children. So think about it. So please, counselors को एक ही बात बोलती हूँ मैं, please try to unite them. Of course you will do it because our job is that. So try to unite them and also for the welfare of society ultimately. Because if the family is good, ultimately children will be good. And men will be good, happy man. ओल्ड एज होम्स बढ़ गए. हम लोग हर रोज एक होम को जाती हूँ मैं. हर रोज आई गो फॉर होम्स, स्पेशल होम्स फॉर द जुवेनल. आई सी वेरी बैड सिचुएशन ऑफ ईच पर्सन देयर. एक एक्चुअली एक सॉरी मुस्लिम आदमी को मैं पूछी, सर आपका घर बहुत नज़दीक है ना, आप ओल्ड एज होम में क्यों है? तो वो लोग उन्होंने बोले थे क्या मियाँ बीवी झगड़ा करते रहते हर रोज इतने छोटे रूम पे. वो देख के मेरे को सैंडविच बनना पड़ता है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू ओल्ड एज होम. दैट शुड नॉट बी डन. मैं बोली आपके टाइम पे आप अच्छे थे ना, आप जुड़ के अच्छा है ना, फैमिली पूरा अच्छा एस्टेब्लिश करे ना. लेकिन उन्होंने बोले हम लोग क्या करते, उसमें उस जमाने में ऐसा नहीं था, इस जमाने में है. वो लोग ही इतना छोटे रूम में झगड़ा करते हैं, उसके बीच में गए तो मेरा फुट जाता मेरा. सो माई हेड विल ब्रेक. सो ऐसा बोले थे. इट शुड नॉट बी डन. It should not be done because it is family. Parents are very very important. हम लोग importance बोलना है. क्या family क्या है, bonding क्या है, हम लोग we have to. That is a responsibility of mediators, counselors. Yes, sir. वेरी गुड एग्जाम्पल दिए क्योंकि छोटे छोटे बात पे डाइवर्स के लिए आते हैं हमारे पास. छोटे छोटे टीवी रिमोट नहीं देते, हर रोज उन्होंने टीवी देखती है, सीरियल देखती है, तेलुगु सीरियल देखती है, इसके वजह से मेरे को डिस्टर्ब हो रहा. इस छोटी छोटी बात पे डाइवर्स हो रहा है. और अल्टीमेटली मोस्ट ऑफ देम मेन आर गोइंग फॉर अदर marriages I'm saying. So it's very difficult nowadays to raise the children by the women. So think about it, and social awareness you have to bring that family is very very important. So coordinators and mediators are very much important. That should be done. Trained mediators होना चाहिए. जैसे अब हो रहा है, mediator should be trained. Otherwise एक सर बोले थे फर्स्टली क्या बोलते हैं, they will increase the problem when they are not trained. So you should be very clear, and a counselor should be very very thoughtful and also encourage for unity of the family. So I'm very happy that whatever the religion may be, whatever the caste may be, we are one. We are Indians ultimately. सर अच्छा बोले थे, क्या बोले थे, हिंदू मुस्लिम्स इफ वी यूनाइटेड टुगेदर we should have a strength होता है ना, कैसे तो भी strength होता है. तो unity is strength. Unity in diversity is a strength. So ultimately we are Indians. God may be names are many, but God is ultimately one. Ultimately God is one. कुरान होने दीजिए, गीता होने दीजिए, कुछ तो भी होली बाइबल होने दीजिए, सब एक ही बोलते हैं अच्छा जियो, धर्म न्याय फॉलो करो. हम लोग को रिटर्न क्या आता है, अच्छा क्या बोलते हैं, आई डोंट नो, विल गेट द गुड रिटर्न्स, राइट? गुड रिवॉर्ड, राइट? सो इट्स अ वेरी I think it's a very good function, I can say. I'm very happy to be here, sir, with great amenities and dignitaries here, because it's not a joke addressing such a intelligent people and conveying our National Legal Services Authority's importance. Thank you so much. You can come and get a legal assistance freely from our Legal Service Authority, Hyderabad. You can take my number also. If any lady or gent are having difficulty in their families, difficulty in any case or civil or criminal, we will assist you and guide you. And we have a trained mediators and counselors in our court. So you can easily come and go for PLCs and we'll take care of it. Thank you so much, sir, for giving this opportunity. I'm Congratulations to the mediators who are trained here and taking the certificates. Do your best. And don't see that a certificate laga ke nahi. We have to do hard work. Right? Ultimately, hard work, there is no shortcut to the success. Right? You have to do hard work. So I'm very thankful to the madam who gave this opportunity to me, madam. Thank you so much. Sometimes I'll come and extend my this duties and responsibilities of MLSL. Thank you so much.